Photosynthesis is the process of converting light energy to chemical energy and storing it in the bonds of sugar. The process occurs in plants and actually a very few funky animals. Yes, we're looking at you, a spotted salamander, pea aphid, and a type of sea slug. Now, plants are autotrophs, which means they produce their own food. Auto meaning self and troph meaning feeder, so they are self-feeders. Now, this is actually a key difference between plants and animals who can't make their own food. Animals are termed heterotrophs, hetero meaning other, so other feeders. They have to eat from other food sources. They can't make their own food. Plants need only light energy, carbon dioxide, and water to make sugar. Now, the process of photosynthesis takes place primarily in the leaves, more specifically in the chloroplasts. There's a pigment called chlorophyll, which is involved in the photosynthetic process. This is found in the chloroplasts. There are actually a few different types of chlorophyll. The main one is chlorophyll A. That's the green pigment involved in the process. Now, chlorophyll A looks green because it absorbs red and blue light. It's the green light which is not absorbed that reaches our eyes, making chlorophyll appear that color. So a lot of people think that plants use the green light for photosynthesis because they're all green, but actually they're green because they're not using that green light that's getting reflected. They're actually using red and blue light. In terms of a chemical reaction for photosynthesis, we have carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light energy forms food and oxygen. As a chemical reaction, we would write it like this. We would say that carbon dioxide is combined with water in the presence of light energy to produce sugar and oxygen. Now the sugar is glucose. C6H12O6 is glucose. And you should note we need 6 molecules of carbon dioxide to react with 6 molecules of water. And then we need some light energy to get this all underway. And we will get 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen produced. Now that photosynthesis is actually the source of the oxygen that we breathe. Half from terrestrial sources like rainforests and half, actually at least half, from marine phytoplankton. Marine phytoplankton are teeny tiny little plants that live in the top 200 meters of the ocean. So there you go, a very quick look at photosynthesis, and maybe later in the week, or probably more likely next week, I'll make a more senior version and we'll dive into it even deeper.
Hey you, hit the like button. Yeah, and the subscribe one too. Yay!